We have to find the maximum monthly profit for company with monthly cost C equals x plus 20 and monthly revenue R equals 5x minus 0.02x squared. We know that the profit is equal revenue minus cost. So the profit will be equal, revenue is 5x minus 0.02x squared, and we have to subtract the cost is x plus 20. So P is equal 5 times x minus 0.02x squared, negative sign before parentheses, so it will be negative x, negative 20. Because we have x unknown, so we can write that we have P of x is equal, and we will start from the highest power, so this is negative 0.02x squared. 5x minus 1x is 4x minus 20. We got quadratic function. And when we have to find maximum monthly profit and we have quadratic function, let's see to our coefficient before x squared is negative. A is less than 0. So the graph of quadratic function with a is less than 0 is parabola, opens down. And when we will calculate the vertex, the y-coordinates of vertex, we will have the maximum profit. So we know that the first coordinate of vertex is negative b over 2a, and the second is f of negative b over 2a. In our example, we have function p of x, so here we can write p of x. We need to find the maximum monthly profit. So we need the second coordinate. So to find the second, we need the first. Let's first find the a is negative 0.02, b is 4. So now we can find the first coordinate, negative b over 2a is equal, negative sign we copy, and we have 4 over 2 times negative sign 0.02. So this is equal, negative give me positive, and we have 4 over 0.04. So this is equal 100. So we have first coordinate on vertex, the second p of negative b over 2a is equal p of 100. This is equal, we have to go to our function p of x and substitute x's by 100. So we have negative 0.02 times 100 to second power plus 4 times 100 minus 20. So this is equal 0.02 times 100 to second power give me 200 plus 400 minus 20. Of course, negative 200, I forgot about negative sign. So this is equal, we have negative 200 plus 400, so it will be 200 minus 20, so this is equal 180. And of course we have to add dollars. The maximum monthly profit for company with monthly cost given by this formula and revenue by VAT is $180. This is my solution.